Let me show you how to use a remote control on your solar sensor light. So if you have a light like this, okay, so when you get your camera, make sure to simply remove this sticker first from the remote control. So this is to protect, basically, so the battery doesn't recharge, while it's in shipping. So, and then to, control it with the remote, first we actually have to turn on the light, basically the regular way. So use the button and turn it in any mode. So you see, for example, and then as soon as you turn it on the first time, the remote should work. So you see, I can easily turn it on here. Also, sometimes this remote is actually not very responsive as well, so you kind of have to sometimes click like 2 times. That is completely normal. I have like 3 of these lights and it's happening basically on all of them essentially. Also, you see, you can also like change different modes here. So mode number 1 essentially is this motion detection mode, where it turns on for 15 seconds if it detects motion. So the mode number 2, so I mean, you can click it for, okay. Mode number 2 essentially is a mode where it will turn on for 15 seconds, but in the remaining time it will actually like glow in this like very low mode. So, and the mode number 3 is where it glows constantly, basically in this like very dim mode. But again, so you see, it's also obviously light activated. So if there's light shining on it, so it will obviously turn itself off. So again, if you have some troubles turning on, make sure to verify that you actually do not have any light outside and it's actually dark. If you're wondering what is this SOS button, I'm fairly sure this remote control is being used on some other lights. So on this light, this SOS doesn't work, so it serves no purpose on this light. I think they're simply like borrowing this remote control from some kind of also different model and simply reusing so this remote. So this, the SOS button obviously doesn't work on this one. Anyway, good luck.